Kampens maglaro kom jatend riwruok mar okinde ma pacho ko chope midi kodong mandala par kod ang'wen kende to ibago yiero no ka jolar kom no duto abich medo cherore konde duto ma pacho ka mane onegi yudo ombulu mar bedo jokom mar duol no. Faith Odhiambo ma en achiel kuom okinde ma laro kom no nyochwalo kampens mage gwenge ma Ukambani kama nobago e romo gi okinde manie kaunti ma Machakos. Faith ma en jalup jakom LSK sechegi osingo bero chal mar okinde ma pacho ka ahinya to mago machako apisi magi ka bende osingo jiwo piny owacho mondo ndikie tich todo kinde apis jamin bucha ton jener kod doho mamalo.
They must speak up. So beyond faith, I came to share with the members here part of my manifesto and the promises that we have on what we want to do for the Law Society as a whole and also for the branches. As well, we have discussed with regards to a majority of lawyers who hail from not only the mid-bar but the seniors, how is supporting the middle-sized and small law firms to grow, the SMEs of the legal profession. And what we have agreed is the kind of networking opportunities that will work hand in hand, and also the Law Society to create programs that we're able to support the growth of these law firms that are actually absorbing a majority of the young lawyers in this industry. A challenge that we continue to have is how do we absorb more? And that is why there's that realization that government as well needs to absorb more lawyers. Our idea is to work hand in hand with the Office of the Attorney General, with the judiciary as well, that they can absorb more advocates in their devolved offices. These are the opportunities that we can ensure that at least most of our members who have grown in this profession are able to give back not only to the society, but we are able to ensure that they grow into the various opportunities that are there in the government as well.